Thank you very much. Well, first of all, I'd like to hand out a series of thank yous. First of all, to the sponsors. Congratulations on having the foresight to back this event. This is a great initiative. Thank you to the ambassadors, very talented people whose passion for South Australia goes beyond the usual words of well-meaning, has gone into action, supporting the judging process, and of course carrying on mentoring with the finalists. Thank you also to the initiators of this this program, Kimon, Mark, Rob and Nigel. I can assure you that at Alcidion we're going to work tirelessly to prove that you've taken a great initiative getting this up. I'd also like to thank my fellow co-founder, Professor Malcolm Pradhan, and the fabulous talent we have in the company at Alcidion. A few of them are there on table number 12, so thank you very much, everyone. What does this award mean to Alcidion? Well, it's an opportunity to leverage the networks of the ambassadors to access and then influence the biggest provider of hospital services in this state, and that's the state government. They run over 50 hospitals. We have recently produced a new innovation in hospital efficiency. You saw some of the software there. It's running in hospitals outside of South Australia, and we know from that experience that it's making it a lot easier for clinicians to deliver better clinical services to their patients with less risk in a shorter period of time. So we believe that we have something to offer South Australian hospitals, but that's really not the main agenda. In my mind, the main agenda is to work with the ambassadors to create a belief here in South Australia that as a community we really can operate the most efficient and effective hospitals in the nation. So I guess what I would like to explore through the Impact Awards are collaborations that will bring together our public hospitals, bring together technology innovators like Alcidion, not just Alcidion, bring in our world-class medical researchers, our world-class university schools of medicine and IT, and work on a collaboration to show that we can run the highest performing hospitals in the nation and then in the world from here in Adelaide. Alcidion will make its way to commercial success on the international stage, and that will now be assisted through the ambassadors. But really the prize that we should all seek is a new health informatics industry here in South Australia, a globally competitive health informatics industry supporting world-best hospital practice that's then packaged in software solutions, packaged in devices, and then easily transported to anywhere in the world so that other communities can more easily turn up to world's best practice in hospital management. If we can do that, then we can create a consolidated level of wealth for South Australia that will go way beyond what Alcidion can do for itself and what other participants can do for themselves. So I guess I see a future 3 to 5 years out where the Impact Awards are recognised as a contributor to a South Australian health informatics ecosystem, within which, amongst other things, we will see a stream of executives, senior clinicians, researchers coming here to Adelaide to observe world best practice hospital management, and then take away with them the health informatics, technology and other embedded South Australian intellectual property in those products and services, to take them back to their homeland to reap the benefits, creating wealth for South Australia along the way. So I guess I see tonight as the first step in a very exciting journey for South Australia. within Alcidion, we can't wait to get started. So thank you very much for this nomination as a winner. Thank you.